Today I'm going to show you how to print a black or a colour copy on a HP Envy 6022E. Now although I am using the 6022E, this method remains the same for all Envy 6000 series printers. Now we're going to be doing this directly from the printer without using an attached PC or laptop. And what we need to do first of all is just open up the scanner bed and pop whatever it is we want to copy in there. So I'm going to use one of our cartridge boxes, and you're sliding it into the top left hand corner where there's a slightly textured right angle piece of plastic. So place it down and your printer should recognize that you put something in, and you can see the lights have illuminated down here. Now what your printer is asking is if you want to do a color copy or a black and white copy. So I'm just going to choose a color copy, and it's as simple as that. Within a minute or so your printer will have scanned and then printed your copy there, and that's all there is to see really. With your copy in hand, you can go about your printing as normal. Now the only other thing to note is if you wanted multiple copies, you just press either the black or the colour button multiple times to get those. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this printer, please do let us know in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.